The stock market had its worst year since the financial crisis in 2022, owing to a combination of rising interest rates, economic concerns, the Ukraine war, inflation, and other issues. The S&P 500 was down more than 19% for the year as of December 20. As the year comes to a close, what should we anticipate for the next year? While no one has a crystal ball, there are a few forecasts for the stock market in 2023, along with predictions of Warren Buffett. Welcome to our video about Stock Market 2023 versus Warren Buffett Stock Market 2023. Before we continue our video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Stock Market 2023. The stock market will have a fantastic year. My bold forecast is that the stock market will return dramatically in 2023 with the S&P 500 benchmark index rising by 20% or more. There are several reasons why I believe this is quite likely. For one thing, I believe the Federal Reserve will be able to control inflation sooner than most analysts believe. In fact, based on month-over-month core inflation rate of 0.3% in November, the Fed may have already subdued inflation. Decreased inflation may prompt the Fed to lower interest rates sooner than predicted, and lowest inflation will almost certainly result in lower consumer interest rates for things like mortgages. Also, keep in mind that the stock market despises uncertainty, and there is enough of it right now. Many investors are concerned about a recession, a housing catastrophe, and other potential problems. If we get a sense of where the economy is going, it will almost likely to be a good trigger for the market. Finally, consider the stock market's historical performance following a losing year. The S&P 500 has a negative total return 12 times since 1965, not including 2022. In 9 of the 12 occurrences, the S&P 500 finished the next year higher. Even when negative years are included, the average year when the S&P closed the year in negative territory had a total return of 13.1% the following year. In summary, historical data points to a stock market recovery. Some of the lowest performances in 2022 will be standouts in 2023. While I expect the stock market to have a solid year in 2023, I also believe that some of 2022's largest losers will be among next year's top winners. E-commerce is a good example, with Nasdaq Amazon being a particularly intriguing stock to follow. Fears of a downturn in consumer spending increased prices, and other factors have caused the big corporation to drop by over 50% in 2022, wiping out all of its pandemic-era profits. Another example is home builders, with the SPDR S&P Home Builders ETF NYSE MKT XHB plummeting roughly 30% in 2022. Rising housing prices, along with more than double mortgage rates, have resulted in weaker demand and greater cancellation rates. If mortgage rates fall in 2023, which I feel is quite likely, it may be a significant motivator, especially if material costs continue low, as lumber prices recently reached their lowest level since 2020. Now we are going to have a discussion about mighty predictions from one of the most senior analysts, Warren Buffett Stock Market 2023. Warren Buffett is doing in 2022 what he has done many times before, beating the market. Berkshire Hathaway, on the other hand, hasn't fared well, with its shares practically unchanged from the beginning of the year. However, if experts are correct, the Oracle of Omaha may be able to maintain its market-beating ways in 2023. Wall Street predicts that these three Warren Buffett equities will rise by 39% to 83% next year. Snowflake. Buffett most likely did not make the decision to purchase Snowflake for Berkshire's portfolio. Todd Combs or Ted Weschler, one of his two financial managers, most likely spearheaded the charge. Buffett, on the other hand, certainly went along with the ride. So far, it's been a crazy ride. Following Snowflake's first public offering in 2020, Berkshire immediately profited about $800 million. However, the tech stock has dropped about 60% this year, making it one of Buffett's largest losers. Buffett and his crew are happy to wait for a recovery. Berkshire has yet to sell a single share of Snowflake. Amazon. Buffett is without a doubt a terrific investor. However, he has labeled himself an idiot for not purchasing Amazon stock sooner. Berkshire's younger investor managers assisted in correcting the error, beginning a position in the e-commerce and cloud hosting behemoth in 2019. Berkshire increased its interest in Amazon dramatically over time. Despite this growth, the stock still accounts for barely 0.3% of the conglomerate's overall portfolio. That was a good thing in 2020 when Amazon stocks fell about 50%. We anticipate a significant comeback next year. The stock's consensus price objective is over 60% higher than the current share price. Refinitiv polled 47 analysts in December and 43 of them rated Amazon as a buy or a strong buy. NU Holdings. Buffett is not extensively investing outside of the United States. NU Holdings (NYSE) NU is one of his Berkshire's portfolio's 7 overseas stocks. Berkshire made its first investment in Brazilian fintech firm in 2021. NU Holdings is tied for Berkshire's worst performing stock in 2022 with Snowflake. Its stock has dropped over 60% year to date. However, NU's problems should be just transitory. The current share price is 83% higher than the average price estimate for the fintech stock. Buffett and his investment managers appear to be siding with NU Holdings bulls more. So this was all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.